Lifting buckets, barrels, or whatever you lifting in the garden requires a lot of shoulder muscles and proper technique. Alright, so this exercise is called deadlifts. It's the same motion we use in the garden. Bending over, you planting, sowing seeds. It requires strong back muscles and hamstrings. So this exercise is called the battle rope exercise. It resembles the same motion we use in the garden, chopping, beating that sort of stuff. It works shoulder muscles and it also does a bit of work on your core. So this exercise is called sledge pounds. It resembles the perfect farming technique that we use in the garden. It requires strong shoulder muscles. It works a bit of back and also core. It resembles chopping ground, all that sort of stuff. So gardening is not a form of eliminating the gym. It also supplements the gym, so it goes hand in hand. So not because you're in the garden, planting, sowing seeds, weeding, or whatever, that means you don't have to come to the gym. I think it works perfectly hand in hand.